Elizabeth Ross emailed me with her family's heirloom pecan pie recipe. It's a recipe from her great-great-grandmother on her mom's side. Because her grandfather Kurt's favorite dessert is pecan pie, which reminds him of visiting his own grandmother in Texas, where she had a pecan tree growing in her yard. When Kurt married Kay, Elizabeth's grandma, she asked her mother to teach her how to make the pecan pie. There were no measurements, so she watched it repeatedly, taking notes. As the recipe is handed down, Elizabeth now makes it for her grandfather Kurt. Elizabeth thought I could apply my techniques to make it better or to simply enjoy it. My conclusion is it was perfect the first time. I myself have made thousands of pecan pies, and there are as many recipes as there are theories. Pick and choose which ones resonate with you and apply them to your favorite pecan pie recipe. Pecan pie is a soft or custard filling pie. It contains eggs which coagulate and set the filling as it bakes. For this reason, it's difficult to get a dark crust. I start with the mealy crust and I par-bake it until it's the color I like. I then apply 2 egg washes, allowing them to dry in between. Chopping half the pecans and toasting both of them adds a layer of flavor. Using an aluminum foil baking tin and a baking stone helps with heat transfer. Darkening the ingredients for more flavor, like Karo syrup and brown sugar, increases the depth. Melting the butter and heating the eggs to a gentle 90 degrees helps move the ingredients toward being cooked. Starting the bake higher and then lowering it for the second half allows the crust to darken, oven spring, and then the inside to cook gently and slowly. Folding the pecans into the batter gives them a nice coating and a head start. I made this pie 3 times and I got to know it really well, and I feel like I got to know Elizabeth Ross, her great-great-grandmother, her grandmother, her mom, her grandfather, and her. If that doesn't speak to the power of food, I don't know what does.